I'll go this way.
Go this way. Wow. What is this?
That's a cartoon bird.
What's this?
That's a bird.
What's this?
That's a lot of birds flying in the air, right?
What's this?
Oh, I don't know. What's that? That's like a bird. That's an eye. The bird's eye.
What's this?
That's a blue bird.
What's this?
Wow, look at that one's cool.
Butterfly.
He looks like a butterfly, kind of.
No.
Yeah.
I get that.
Look at that one.
Look at pictures of bears.
That's a cartoon bird.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. I get
What's that one? Is that a cartoon?
1,
Is that Angry Birds?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, look at that one. Wow. That was a little crazy looking, right? Yeah. Look, here he is. Look at that one. Oh, no, not that one. That one. Ah! Silly.
Look.
Angry Birds.
What?
Oh, no.
Look at that. Look at that.
Show Mommy the crazy one. Where is he? No, get the... No, wait. Where is he? Where'd he go? We lost him. There he is. He's crazy looking. He's got crazy hair.
Who's open them? Birds.
Wow, that's a cardinal.
Condo.
Mm-hmm.
Condo.
You have a cardinal, right?
Yeah. This is Jet.
That's Jet.
Mwah. Mwah.
Okay.
I want to get that. Oh.
What's that? That's weird looking. That's not real. Oh,
Hello. Look at that. Oh.
Angry Birds again.
What is it?
Oh, wait. No. Right. Look at that one.
Look at that one.